Now we are going to learn the practice set 3.3. Practice set 3.3 depend upon the nth term of an arithmetic progression and sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 मधील उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. जी उदाहरणे दिलेल्या अंकगणित श्रेणीचे n वे पद आणि अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या n पदाची बेरीज यावरती आधारित आहेत. First problem in a practice set 3.3. First, you remember, for understand the concept or problems in a practice set 3.3. First, general form of an arithmetic progression. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, dash dash, A plus n minus 1D. This is the general form of an arithmetic progression. First term of an arithmetic progression is we have to consider small a. Common difference is a small d. To find common difference is the difference between any two consecutive terms, t2 minus t1, that is tn plus 1 minus tn is equal to d. nth term of an arithmetic progression, अंकगणित श्रेणीचे n वे पद, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied d. And sum of the nth term of an arithmetic progression, अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या n पदाची बेरीज, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied d, or Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn. This concept, when you remember, then you solve and understand the given problems is easily. First problem in a practice set 3.3. First term and common difference of an arithmetic progression are 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. Here a is equal to 6. Meaning of this problem, अंकगणित श्रेणीचे पहिले पद a 6 आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स साधारण फरक 3 आहे, तर S27 काढा. To find the sum of first 27 terms, a is equal to 6, d is equal to 3. To find S27 is equal to how much? Therefore, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket dash dash plus n minus 1 multiply d. S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 12 plus 27 minus 1 multiply dash dash. S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 multiply dash dash. And S27 is equal to 27 multiply 45. Therefore, S27 is equal to dash dash. Fill in the blanks with the help of the calculation and by using formula Sn. First, Sn is equal to n upon 2. This is in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 12 plus 27 minus 1 multiply d. Then 12 plus 27 minus 1 is a 26. 26 multiply 3. Then we get 90. 2 divide to 90, then we get 45. 27 multiply 45 is equal to 1215. Problem number second in a practice set 3.3. Number 2, find the sum of the first 123 even natural number. पहिल्या 123 समसंख्याची बेरीज किती? List of first 123 even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash up to the first 123 even natural numbers. Therefore, first term a is equal to t1 is equal to 2, t2 is equal to 4, common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And the last term 123, there are 123 even natural number. समनैसर्गिक संख्या एकूण 123 आहेत, म्हणून n is equal to 123. By using sum of the nth term of an arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied d. Here the value of n is equal to 123. Yes, 123 is equal to 123 upon 2. 2 multiply the value of a is a 2. 2 multiply 2 plus 123 minus 1 multiply 2. Yes, 123 is equal to 123 upon 2. 2 to the 4 plus 122 multiply 2. Then we get is equal to 123 upon 2. 4 plus 244. 244 plus 4 is equal to 123 upon 2 multiplied 248. 2 divide 248. Therefore, yes, 123 is equal to 123 multiply 124. This product is 15,252. Therefore, sum of the first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Problem number 3. Find the sum of all even natural numbers between 1 to 350. All even natural number between 1 to 350 is 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash 348. T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, and Tn is the last term 348. Therefore, common difference d is equal to T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The first to find how many even natural numbers between 1 to 350 excluding 350. Here, by using nth term of an arithmetic progression to find the total numbers between 2, 4, 6, 8 up to the 348. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Substitute the value. 348 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 multiply 2. This plus 2 goes down LHS side, then you get minus 348 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 multiply 2. N minus 1 multiply 2 is equal to 346. This 2 goes down RHS side, then you get divide. N minus 1 is equal to 346 upon 2 is equal to 173. Here minus 1 goes on RHS side, then you get plus 173 plus 1 is equal to 174. This is the value of n. There are 174 even natural number between 1 to 350. To find their sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. To find the sum of S174, that is n is equal to 174. Yes, 174 is equal to 174 upon 2, 2 multiply 2 plus 174 minus 1 multiply 2. Then we get is equal to 174 upon 2, 2 to the 4 plus 173 multiply 2. Yes, 174 is equal to 174 upon 2, 4 plus 173 multiply 2 is a 346 plus 4 is the, yes, 174 is equal to 174 upon 2 multiply 350. 2 divide 350, then we get, yes, 174 is equal to 174 multiply 175. Product of these two numbers is 30,450. This is the sum of all natural numbers between 1 to 350. That is, yes, 174 is equal to 30,450. Problem number 4 in a practice set 3.3. In an arithmetic progression, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of the first 56 terms. 19वे पद 52 आहे आणि 38वे पद 128 आहे, तर पहिल्या 56 पदांची बेरीज किती? nth term of an arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. 19th term is 52. Therefore, T19 is equal to 52. Therefore, 38th term is 128. That is T38 is equal to 128. By using this formula, nth term of an arithmetic progression. First to find a and d. T19 is equal to a plus 19 minus 1 multiply d. T19 is equal to 52. 52 is equal to a plus 18d. Therefore, a plus 18d is equal to 52. We get equation number 1. Similarly, T38 is equal to a plus 38 minus 1 multiply d. T38 is a 128 is equal to a plus 37 multiply d. Hence, a plus 37d is equal to 128. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 equation are simultaneous equation. Therefore, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. समीकरण 2 मधून समीकरण 1 वजा करूया. a plus 37d is equal to 128. a plus 18d is equal to 52. Subtract equation 1 from 2. Therefore, subtraction of this equation is a minus. The plus minus is a minus, and here also plus minus is a minus. Hence, plus a minus a get 0. Plus 37 minus 18 is equal to 19d is equal to 8 minus 2 is a 6. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, 19d is equal to 76. Here 19 goes down next side, then we get divide. 19d is equal to 76. d is equal to 76 upon 19. 19 4s are 76. Therefore, d is equal to 4. Therefore, substitute the value of a in equation first. A plus 18d is equal to 52. Therefore, the value of d, substitute here. A plus 18 multiply 4 is equal to 52. A plus 18 into 4 is a 72 is equal to 52. 72 goes down RHS side, then we get minus. A is equal to 52 minus 72 is equal to minus 20. Greater number has negative sign. Their subtraction is a negative. Therefore, a is equal to minus 20. Hence, a is equal to minus 20 and d is equal to 4. To find the sum of the first 56 term. Hence, yes, 56. By using the formula sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Substitute the value. N is equal to S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 in bracket 2 multiply minus 20 plus 56 minus 1 multiply 4. Therefore, S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 in bracket 2 multiply minus 20 is a minus 40 plus 55 multiply 4. S56 is equal to 2 divide 56 is a 28 multiply in bracket minus 40 plus 55 multiply 4 is a 220. Minus 40 plus 220, both number has opposite sign, therefore get subtraction. 220 minus 40 is equal to 180. Then S56 is equal to 28 multiply 180. Then we get S56 is equal to 5040 is the sum of first 56 term. Therefore, sum of the first 56 term of an arithmetic progression is 5040. Problem number 5. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. 1 ते 140 दरम्यान 4 ने भाग जाणाऱ्या सर्व नैसर्गिक संख्याची बेरीज किती ती काढण्यासाठी खालील ऍक्टिव्हिटीज पूर्ण करा. From 1 to 140 natural number divisible by 4. 4 8 dash dash 136. How many number? N is equal to how much? N is equal to dash dash, A is equal to dash dash, Tn is equal to dash dash. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 multiply D. 136 is equal to dash dash plus N minus 1 multiply dash dash. N is equal to dash dash. Sn is equal to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 multiply D. S is equal to dash dash upon 2 in bracket dash dash. Therefore is equal to how much? To complete these activities, here the value of A is equal to 4, D is equal to 4 and Tn is equal to last term 136. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 multiply D. Here 136 is equal to A is equal to 4 plus N minus 1 multiply D is equal to 4. Hence, to find the value of N is equal to how much? Here Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 multiply D, nth term of an arithmetic progression. 136 is equal to 4 plus N minus 1 multiply 4. This plus 4 goes down LHS side, then we get 136 minus 4 is equal to N minus 1 multiply 4. 132 is equal to N minus 1 multiply 4. This 4 goes down this side, we get divide. N minus 1 is equal to 132 upon 4 is equal to 33. Minus 1 goes down RHS side, then we get plus N is equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. Therefore, this value N is equal to 34. Sn is equal to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 multiply D. Then N is equal to 34. Then to find S34. Here S34 is equal to the value of N is equal to 34 upon 2 in bracket 2A 2 multiply 4 plus N 34 minus 1 multiply D. Then to find S34 in this way, Sn is equal to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 multiply D. Substitute the value. S34 is equal to 34 upon 2, 2 multiply 4 plus 34 minus 1 multiply 4. Here 2 divide 34 is a 17 in bracket 2 4 is a 8 plus 33 multiply 4. 17 multiply 8 plus 132. 8 plus 132 is the 140. Yes, 34 is equal to 17 multiply 140 is equal to 2380. Therefore, this box contains 2380. Hence, sum of natural numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4 is 2380. Problem number 6 in a practice set 3.3. The sum of first 55 terms of an arithmetic progression is 3300. Find its 28th term. अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या पहिल्या 55 पदाची बेरीज 3300 आहे, तर त्या अंकगणित श्रेणीतील 28वे पद किती? Sum of the first 55 terms of an arithmetic progression is 3300. Therefore, Sn is equal to S55 is equal to 3300. पहिल्या 55 पदाची बेरीज 3300 आहे, म्हणजे S55 बरोबर 3300. Let first term of an arithmetic progression is a and common difference is a D. Therefore, sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, that is Sn, is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here Sn is the S55, n is equal to 55. S55 is equal to 55 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 multiply d. Therefore, S55 is equal to 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2, 2a plus 54d. Here this 55 upon 2, 2a plus 54 into d. In a bracket, 2 and 54 is multiple factor of 2, take common in a bracket. Therefore, 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2, 2 take common, in bracket remaining a plus 27d. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Is 3300 is equal to 55 multiply a plus 27d. 55 is a multiply of this bracket. 55 goes on LHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, a plus 27d is equal to 3300 upon 55. At numerator and denominator divide by 11. 11 3s are 33, 11 5s are 55. 300 upon 5. Again 5 divide to 300, 5 6s are 30, 0 as it is. Therefore, a plus 27d is equal to 60. We get equation number 1. Here to find its 28th term. 28वे पद काढायचं आहे. We know that the nth term of an arithmetic progression Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here n is equal to 28. Then we get T28. 28th term of an arithmetic progression is T28. Substitute the value n 28. T28 is equal to, in bracket, a plus 28 minus 1 multiply d. A plus 28 minus 1 is a 27d. A plus 27d is equal to T28. From equation 1, the value of a plus 27d is equal to 60. Therefore, T28 is equal to 60. This is the 28th term of an arithmetic progression is 60. Today's homework. First problem for homework. Which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 11, 19, 27 dash dash is 547? या अंकगणित श्रेणीमधील कितवे पद 547 आहे? Second problem for homework. Find S15 if for an arithmetic progression a is equal to 10 and d is equal to 3. Third problem, find the sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 145 which are divisible by 4. 1 ते 125 मधील 4 ने भाग जाणाऱ्या एकूण नैसर्गिक संख्येची बेरीज किती? बेस्ट ऑफ लक. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.